In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start new account in Mailerlite. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Mailerlite website. Make sure you are on the real site so you are creating your account in the correct place. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign Up button. This will take you to the account creation form. Now you will start filling in your details. First, type in your company or organization name. This is the name that will appear in your account settings and can also help you stay organized if you manage more than one brand. Next, enter your name and your email address. Use an email address you can access right away because you will need it to verify your account in just a moment. After that, create a secure password. Choose something strong and unique with a good mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or anything easy to guess. When everything looks correct, click the button that says Create My Account. Mailerlite will then send a verification message to the email address you provided. At this point, leave this browser tab open and go to your email inbox. If you do not see the message immediately, give it a minute and then check your spam or junk folder as well, since automated emails can sometimes end up there. Open the verification email from Mailerlite and click the link that says Verify Email Address. This step confirms that you own the email address and activates your new account. After you click the link, you will be taken back to Mailerlite. Now log in to your new dashboard. Once you are inside, you will be guided through a short setup where Mailerlite asks a few questions about your marketing goals. Answer these prompts carefully because they help tailor your experience and can influence which recommendations and features you see first. After you finish answering the questions, you will be ready to start using your account. And that is all there is to it.